So the crypto flash crash came, it went. A lot of projects have since recovered, but some haven't. And even some of the recovered projects are down for 2024. Most projects are suffering right now, but the good news is that the flash crash did open up some opportunities for altcoins that are down just in a ridiculous, illogical sense. They're down way more than they should be, even considering the harsh market conditions. We are looking right now at 3 deeply discounted altcoin projects. All of them are terrific, and all of them are available at a great price ever since the crypto flash crash. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck if you choose to invest. I do wish you well. Just remember that I'm not a financial or investment advisor, and as such, this video is not official financial or investment advice. Recovery from the crypto flash crash of a couple of weeks ago has been uneven. That's to say the least when you look at all the different projects out there. That being said, our method today is that we've searched the top 100 projects on CoinGecko. Then we exclude meme coins because we're not big fans of them here at Altcoin Buzz. Then we excluded project-specific events, and we looked for great projects that have not yet recovered their pre-flash crash price. And so the first one that we're looking at today is ASA. That's trading under the symbol FET, F-E-T. This is the merger, of course, of 3 projects in artificial intelligence, those being Fetch, Singularity, and Ocean Protocol. And this is a token that's already been down in comparison to its merged price of $1.26. It's currently at 82 cents, or down about 40% from that merger price. And it's also down a good 25-30% since the flash crash, meaning it did not recover its price the way a lot of other projects did. And look, because project mergers in crypto are so rare, at least so far, this is an added risk when it comes to investing in FET. That said, though, the recent price declines we've seen mean that the downside risk is less here since there is inherent value in the project. Pretty much like any other altcoin in the crypto space, it could go to zero. That's true, not that it's likely, but I have to acknowledge that there is some, however slim, chance that that's a possibility. Any project can go to zero, but the chances that this one does are very, very low. So our downside risk goes down from the $1.26 merger price to its current price of 82 cents, while the growth prospects remain the same. AI and crypto need each other for autonomous tasks and autonomous payments. It is just really hard to picture a scenario where AI and crypto are successful, but the ASA is not successful. So a bet on AI is very much a bet on ASA and FET. We expect this alliance to be one of the leading AI crypto projects now and well into the future. Next up, we are looking at the Graph, ticker GRT. And we've been following the Graph for a couple of years now. It is part, of course, of our master portfolio. And it's at a good 12 months. It's been up about 30% or so. But the last 30 days and the time since the flash crash have been unkind to GRT. It's down about 40% and 23% in the last 30 and 14 days, respectively. Which isn't great, but it does represent a nice opportunity for a project of this caliber. It's just simply one of the best projects in the industry. And right now, as you can see based on this chart here, you can buy it at just above 14 cents. That's the same price, by the way, that it was in late October / November of last year, 2023. It is a great deal for a terrific project, a top project. And while there are a zillion infrastructure projects out there in crypto, there aren't many that are essential for project success the same way the Graph is. Users need it, and developers need it too. And that's why we watch it at many different price levels and are still bullish on GRT. Altcoin Buzz is now available in Discord. You can be a part of us now by joining the chat where you can research and identify your next big move in crypto. You're also going to get free alpha content just for joining. Check out the link you can find in the description of this video below. Last but not least here for today, we have Mantra, which is making a huge splash in the RWA sector, that is real world assets. And as you probably know, this is one of the hottest sectors in the industry. Mantra's main goal is to be the first fully compliant layer 1 chain. That's compliance with real world TradFi regulatory agencies. And really the idea is simple, but very expensive to develop because a compliant chain means that any asset from any registered and compliant business can create a tokenized asset, can list one to sell on their marketplace, or buy or sell on behalf of themselves and their clients. The apps built on Manta will be permissioned. To be compliant, they're going to need KYC or KYB programs in place, but Mantra itself is permissionless, like other layer 1s that we prefer. And just to show you one example here, we have a marketplace for leased commercial aircraft. For many airlines, leasing is actually a better deal than owning their own planes. Plus, they also have an airdrop on their OM token that's coming very soon. And Mantra has had an absolutely banner year in these last 12 months. It's up something like 4,000%. And even if we zoom in a little further, they're still up a respectable 15 or 20% in the last 3 months or so as well. But then the last 30 days, which includes the flash crash, OM went down about 35%. Part of that is from the crash, but we also think that part of this drop-off is just taking a breather before taking their next big leg up, as RWAs, by the way, continue to grow. Mantra looks to be making all the right moves right now, fundamentally as a project. They also have a very impressive partnership with Ondo, which is another RWA leader. Their vaults for Sol, S-O-L, are paying 6%, and ETH and Matic are paying 4%. They're sold out due to high demand. And so Mantra is positioning itself pretty well as the easiest option so far for TradFi to come in and tokenize the assets of their choice for their clients and other investors.